I am Jorge Presa, CEO of Cyber Surgery. We have developed a robotic platform for surgery. Mainly, we have focused on a spine, although right now we are moving to other specialties like brain. There are multiple spine diseases, and the gold standard is vertebral fusion. It consists on pedicle screws and connecting them with rods. It's a very complex procedure, and in many cases, a new surgery is required. Only 1% currently is done with existing robot. Not many things to talk about the market. Huge market, spine, growing market. And regarding robotic surgery, this market is growing quite fast. It's important to point out that accuracy is very important for the spine, not like in other specialties. About competitors, 4 robots globally are fully certified for FDA CE mark. There are other coming soon. That's why we need a speed up. And I would like to point 2 things. First of all of them use optical tracking. Cameras, I'm going to explain right now, cameras for knowing where is the patient and where is the robot. The other thing is that all of them, what they do is are focused on pedicle screws. So with optical tracking, with the cameras, it's like our eyes looking at where is the robot. The problem are occlusion. If anybody cross the line of sight, it's very sensible system. The setup takes around 10 minutes. And the control look frequency, the moment that you take a look of where is the robot, is 200 Hz. Is very important for future applications. On the other hand, 2 or 3 devices in the operating room. The footprint is a problem in the operating room. So our solution, our proposal is SIRI technology. We have created a technology which one, the best important point, the most important point is that SIRI touch. Instead of using this optical tracking, is the only robot that we use electromechanical tracking. The only of them, and also we focus on artificial intelligence in order to support surgeons during the surgery. So this year we release ALAYA spine, modular version, is accurate and efficient, and the next generation that I'm going to explain is ALAYA Infinite, where we use this solution for other specialties and other functionalities. Here is the current solution. This is the tracking, and this is the guiding tool. So in this case, is part of the cadaver. What the surgeon is going to do is to move this part of the cadaver, and you can realize how fast the robot reacts. It's like you are touching where is the cadaver, and you are pointing and guiding the surgeon. So if there is any movement in a very accurate way, you track the trajectory. CE mark next October. We did the last audit the past July, so the notified body has confirmed that. Now in October, November, we are going to perform some usability tests in US, and after 3 pre-submission, we are going to submit January 2025 for FDA as well. But that is not everything. Our current solution, what it does is bone cutting, something that is totally new. Imagine that the robot, instead of just guiding, you could hold the drill or could be full automatic, and you decide which area where you want to perform the bone cutting, and the system is going to do it by itself. If you want to do it manually, you are going to hold the drill, but the robot don't allow you to go farther or deeper. You establish the boundaries. This is something that is not in the market in this moment. The other part that we are working hard is with the automatic planning, helping the surgeons to plan all of the surgery, how to align the roles, the biomechanic of the patient with artificial intelligence. We are also working in this new version in some workflow improvement, and we are moving to brain. We have some prototypes. We work mostly with neurosurgeons, so they are pushing us to move to use this robot also for epilepsy, deep brain stimulation. Added value, safety. As is more accurate, artificial intelligence, modular. We believe that current hospital cannot afford to have a robot for everything. Has to be a platform that you could use for several specialties and for several functionalities. User-oriented. What they really like, surgeons, honestly, is not accuracy. What they really like is the workflow, how they have improved the workflow, how they reduce calibration, how they reduce the time of the surgery, okay? And also, in order to be cost-effective, it's an open platform. You could use this robot for any manufacturer of screws. The current solutions, Medtronic, Globus, and Braillab, they are for only one kind of screws, so it's mandatory to buy that. And it's something that hospital administration really like. There are 32 of us. We are based in the north of Spain, PhD or Master in Engineering, and with an international medical advisory board, people not only in Spain, Germany, US, or United Kingdom that are helping us in how to develop this solution. Testimonies, I'm going to pass them because I'm running out of time. Business model. This is very, very important, and this is why we already have 5 hospitals committed. Pay-per-use. They want to move from CAPEX to OPEX. So in several places, what they want is, instead of buying the robot or even renting for private health, pay-per-use, they charge to the patient or to the insurance. Okay? Market approach. Spain, we want to go straight, like right now, in order to have the feedback. But in Europe and in US, we have the support of distribution. We already have some distribution, some of them that are, we have signed agreements, but the idea is to finish all of the agreements within this year. A long way until right now, from 10 years ago until now, we are going to be in the market. And our current investors, we are in a spin-off on an industrial company, so we know how to manufacture. That is why everything is very precise. INQ is a health insurance company with 3 hospitals, and the rest are like a small venture capital and business angels. We raised 5.7, and in total, we have used 30 million. Right now, we are looking for 10 million. 10 million more. 3 of them are already committed, and the lead investor are going to be the existing investors. So we are looking for 7 million more. Why? Not for certification. What we want, sales, distribution, manufacturing, commissioning, maintenance. So the product is right there. What we want now is the market traction. Okay? So speeding up a little bit. The value of the company, we are right here, 1 month before CE mark. In 1 year and a half, the value of the company is going to be totally different. With hospitals committed, with CE mark and FDA, is going to be a totally different stage. So that's why we consider that could be a very good moment for this investment. So, as I mentioned, 3 of the millions are committed. We are looking for 7 million more, and we already have this lead investor. The best exit could be, in this moment, to be acquired, honestly. We consider that several robots are coming to this field. This is a different technology, but so what we are looking is someone that come to us to this moment where we are already having several meetings with corporates, with strategic investors, and this could be a good moment for the exit. Thank you very much for your attention, and if you have any question, please let me know.